Oh, no, thank you.
Well, why are you videotaping?
What's that?
Who are you? What are you doing?
What am I doing?
Yeah, what are you doing?
I'm using my camera.
Yeah, but why? This is private property. What are you doing?
Well, I mean, you're walking up to a camera asking me what I'm doing. I'm taking pictures
Why are you taking pictures here?
because I can.
Why?
Is it against the law to take pictures?
I just want to know why. This is private property. Why are you taking
That
pictures?
private property doesn't mean that it's against the law.
Why are you doing
Because I like what I see.
it? What?
Because I like what I see.
Well, can you go do it somewhere else?
No, I could do it wherever I want.
Yeah, but why are you doing it?
It's none of your business, actually. I
Well,
try to be
actually
nice
it
to you,
is,
but now I'm just going to tell you to mind your own business, lady.
Okay, I'm going to call the cops.
Yeah, well, they're going to tell you to mind your own business, too.
This is my business, so
Yeah,
I
but
would
they're
like
going to tell
know
you to
what
mind your
you're
own
doing.
business, guaranteed. Be ready for a lesson. How old are you to be educated at this time of your life?
Hi. How are you? What are you doing?
I'm good. How's business?
Huh?
Stay back, please. 6 feet, please.
What are you doing?
How's business?
Business?
Yeah.
Slow. We do work for the oil refineries,
Okay,
so we repair their equipment.
good.
We're making some new stuff and repairing stuff right now.
Yeah, so how, I mean, has times slowed down a lot since everything started?
Yes, a little bit.
Yeah, sorry to hear that, man.
Yeah, well, that's the way it is everywhere.
Yeah.
We're lucky we're working,
Right,
but the refinery's got to keep running, so we've got to
Exactly.
keep supporting them.
right on. You be
Okay.
good, man.
All right.
All right.
What's this for? For you?
Oh, I'm just doing a documentary on businesses that are still running during the pandemic.
Okay.
Yep,
All right.
have a good one.
You too.
All right.
Why did you just say that?
Because my camera's running. I didn't have time to start explaining stuff. I'm just out here filming from my own free will. You know, you ruined my film. Now I got to start all over. It was none of your business to begin with. Thank you. Have a good day.